Hello everyone, my name is Reena and welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. In my today's video, we will learn about HLOOKUP formula. How to apply HLOOKUP formula, why do we apply HLOOKUP formula, finding the value through HLOOKUP formula and HLOOKUP formula in multiple rows, dragging the formula. So all of these points we will cover in this video here. So let's have a look on the data first. I have a small table here or small data you can say, which has stock item code, which I have here also. Sold in 2 weeks, this is the quantity. Total stock in warehouse here also. So now I have a table here and I need to bring the value from this table to here. So you can see here, this data is in the horizontal way because it is in this way, right? It's going like this. And this data is in the vertical way. So when our data is in the horizontal way, and especially the place from where we need to extract our value. So at that moment, we will apply HLOOKUP formula because H stand for horizontal. So if you see, if you so here I have stock item code, and in this table also I have stock item code, which is similar. So we need something similar to bring the value. So let's apply HLOOKUP formula. Equal H lookup, press tab button, open parenthesis. Now formula syntax says lookup value. My lookup value is this. This is the value for what I'm looking for. This is the item I'm looking for the value. So for trouser 456, I need the total quantity total sold quantity of last 2 week. So let's take a, so here is our lookup value, this for which I'm looking for. Now it says table array. So my table array is this. Let's select all. Yeah. Now freeze it by pressing F4, or if you have FN button in your keyboard, then FN F4. Now comma, it says row index number. Row index number means from which row you need the value. So I need sold in 2 week. It exists in which row? Row number 1, 2. If you see the date, when data is in horizontal way, it says row index number. When data is in the vertical shape and you are applying VLOOKUP formula in that case, then it will ask you column index number. So what is column in the in the Excel? A, B, C, D. These are the columns. When you say 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the rows. So this is the difference. Now it asks me row index number. So I will say this is the second row. Write 2. So this is our second row, comma. Now it asks me range lookup, true or false. I need exact match, correct number, not the approximate value. I need exact match, so I will say false. For false, you can write 0, and for true, you will write 1. So I need false means exact match. That is why I'm writing 0. Close parenthesis, press enter. Here I got the value for trouser. So total trousers were sold in last 2 weeks was 50. You can see here trouser. This is the trouser here, and it was sold 50 quantity. So let's drag the formula down or double click. So we get all the details here. Now you can simply copy this formula, press escape button, go here, equal, and press paste this formula simply. So here you just need to change the row index number. Why? Because total stock in warehouse exists in the third row, and we already have taken the table array from A1 to H3, from A1 to H3. We have already taken this range. So that is why we don't have to change the range. Only we would have to change row index number. So we'll write 3. Now press enter and just double click here, and we got the value here. Now let's find the value. Uh, find the value I have a list here which is in the horizontal way, company codes. Actually, this is the same data I used in my other video, VLOOKUP formula video. So you can compare also. I will uh, I will give the link also in the description. So here I have a small list and I need to find the company code if this company code exists in this list or not. So let's find it. How? Just write equal h lookup, press tab button, open parenthesis, lookup value. This is my lookup value. Table array, my table array because the data exists in the horizontal way from where I'm extracting the data. That is why I'm applying HLOOKUP formula. So select the range, freeze it, comma, column index number. This is the, sorry, row index number. This is the first row. So 1, comma, 0 for exact match, close parenthesis, press enter, and that's what we get here. So all of these code exist, but this code, only this code here from this list, these code exist, but this code does not exist in this list. So you can find here manually, just copy this and you can say Control F, paste it, enter. We couldn't find what you're looking for. So this does not exist. That is why it is showing NA. So that's how we use HLOOKUP formula. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest updated videos. Till that time, get guided learning and have a good time. Bye bye.